a motor. Should be you go pass road, you can trust in a VM Motors. Shy, if you want go, with your family convo.
Innoson Vehicles, 11 years of steady improvement and growth. Before Innoson Vehicle was commissioned in 2010, over 30,000 brand new cars sold in Nigeria were all imported. At the time, there was no functional vehicle manufacturing or assembly plant in Nigeria producing these cars. Yet, out of guts, faith and hope, Innoson Chukwuma decided to venture into vehicle manufacturing, becoming the first to produce a made in Nigeria vehicle that will be named Innoson. This is not the first time Innoson has decided to blaze the trail by producing a made in Nigeria automotive product. In 2000, Innoson decided to start the manufacturing and assembly of Innoson brand of motorcycles and made huge success out of it. More so, Innoson ventured into the manufacturing of plastic automotive products by establishing a plastic manufacturing plant. Innoson Technology and Industries Company Limited, Enugu, reputed to be largest plastic manufacturing company in West Africa with over 150 lines of products, which includes plastic automotive products, high-quality household and industrial plastics, health and safety accessories, storage containers, fixtures and fittings, electrical components and accessories. Within 2 years of establishing Innoson Vehicles, the then governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi, ordered for 1,000 units of Innoson Vehicles, which includes pickups, buses and SUVs. The show of faith by Mr. Peter Obi was the trigger Innoson needed to show the durability and capacity of the made in Nigeria vehicle. Today, the vehicles bought under the administration of Mr. Peter Obi are still being used today by some traditional rulers, schools as well as security agencies, proving the durability strength of Innoson vehicles. Truth is that for 11 years IVM has been in existence, there has never been a better last year. Innoson Vehicles has been improving steadily on the quality of its vehicles by ensuring it gets feedbacks from the users of Innoson Vehicles to know their views on their IVM experience, and with these feedbacks it seeks better ways to improve on the taste and preferences of our customers to suit the environment. Feedbacks from the users of Innoson Vehicles attest to the durability and high standards of the vehicles.